This is how we are going to output a sketch to a drawing. So here we have a beautiful sketch. This could be a sketch for the vinyl cutter or for the laser cutter. What we're going to do is create a drawing. Down following the plus sign, you'll find Create Drawings. You will have a list of templates listed here. You may not see all of these, only when you've used them. The ones that are to be used in this class under Jefferson Union High. And you'll see the templates now 12 by 12, or 12 by 4, 4 by 4, 8 by 4. These are all in inches. This is a design which is kind of long and thin, so we're going to use something which is 12 by 4. There won't be any options to do views, and we'll hit OK. We now have a drawing 1 listed down here, along with the Part Studio and other information. Right in here, we're actually in a mode of inserting what we want to show on the drawing. That's called the insert view, which we can find later. Here it is. What do we want to insert? If we want to do full Part Studios, not used very often, parts, sometimes used, but in this case, we want to use sketches. So we'll click on sketches to highlight them, and we'll remove the parts, so the only thing is we see the sketch. We can select the sketch we want to put in, and it will come in like this. You notice it's going to come in maybe not the right size, and we can change the size by doing different drop downs. This is the scale factor, and it turns out I've worked with this before, and maybe a 2 to 1. All right, and then we click that in place, and it is in here. Now, it needs to be rotated, so we can right-click on this, and we can go to View Properties. And in the View Properties, there's a rotation angle, and I want to change it by 90 degrees. And select that, and now it is by 90 degrees. I can click on this, move it around, and it fits really nicely in this area. And we are now done. We have a drawing that has the sketch on it. If we want to send this to the laser cutter or to the vinyl cutter, we will want to export it. So I can right-click on the drawing, and we have the option of exporting the drawing. Exporting the drawing, we are typically going to go to SVG, Scaled Vector Graphics Format. That is the new industry standard web-based vector, and laser cutter and vinyl cutter both use that format. We also could do PDFs, DWG, DXFs, DWT, so there's a variety image files as well, but we're going to stick with SVG for most cases. And all we have to do is export that drawing, and it will give us a chance in a few seconds to save it to whatever location we have, probably to a USB drive if we have one located down here.